Class 700. Southern service. Let's get on it. Wait, they got the Southern. Oh my god, that's so funny. This is the Southern Class 337 to London Victoria. And if we look behind, this is the Gatwick Express. When I'm in Gatwick Airport. We're spotting trains at Gatwick Airport. We got a Gatwick Express train leaving soon. Wait, they got the Southern. Oh my god, that's so funny. Yeah. Southern service. It's kind of glitched out. What do you mean is London Victoria? Like London Victoria is like that way. That way is London Victoria. Oh yeah. Where we see? Oh, there's a Thameslink train. I'm pretty sure. No, it's a Southern. How many? Well, Southern loves going to the London Gatwick Airport. Oh yeah, go. Thameslink. Oh, Thameslink. Let's go. Another Thameslink. Another Southern Class 337 is leaving Class 700. Class 700.